Right, integrals of this form, okay, where you've got integral of ax plus b to the power n, okay, so it has to be linear in here. So you've got ax, there's no ax squared or anything like that, right? It's ax plus b to the power n. So if we look at a here, now, right, I'll show you how to integrate a, okay, and then they're all very similar in approach, okay. So in this case now, right, you can see that is of that form there. What you do is, when you integrate, you raise the power by 1, okay, so this bracket then becomes the power 21. You then divide by that new power, which is 21, but you also have to times that 21 on the bottom here by the derivative in there, which is 4, okay, plus a constant. So that becomes 4x plus 3 to the power 21 over 84 plus c, okay. Part B, you've got here 15 2 minus 3x to the power 5 dx. Well, do the same thing, don't worry about that 15. That becomes the power 6, and divide by the new power 6, okay, and that new power 6 then on the bottom you times by the derivative now, which is minus 3 plus then a c. So this simplifies. Now you've got 15 there, you'll have minus 18 on the bottom, that will be minus 5 sixths. 2 minus 3x power 6 plus c. Use a calculator there even to do that. Okay. Now when it comes to question C here, what I would do is I would rewrite that as a power. Okay, so because it's a root, you want to the power half. Okay, so I'm going to do 5x minus 3 to the power 3 over 2. Okay, when you then, of course, when you integrate, you add 1 to that, you get 3 over 2. Divide by 3 over 2 times then the derivative in there, which is 5, and then we're going to add on the c. Okay, so you end up having 15 over 2 in the bottom, okay, 15 over 2 in the bottom, and of course you'd flip that fraction so the 2 goes to the top, 15 then in the bottom, plus c, okay. D, now D is an interesting one because you've got a root and power cubed. Now the way you should see this is, with the power cubed, okay, that bracket cubed there, the root then is a power half, isn't it? So really we could put that as a bracket, couldn't we, as well? It's power half. So you've got the cubed and then the bracket then power half representing the root. So where you need to see this then is one power raised to another. So that would be 3 then times a half. You times the powers. So it'd be 3 over 2. So this can be rewritten as the integral of 10x minus 4 to the power 3 over 2 dx, which would equal 10x minus 4. Then when you integrate it, add 1 to it, so you get 5 over 2, divide by that power, 5 over 2, times then the derivative in there, which is 10, okay? And then you're going to add on the constant then, okay? And you could simplify that and it would come out for you. So we maybe just look at one more here. We'll look at this one here. If we look at E integral, then the key to this, of course, with E is to take it up and make it a minus power, okay? Okay, so when you've got powers on the bottom here, right, you can take them up, minus power. You then increase that, same technique, increase it by 1, so that becomes minus 2, divide by minus 2, the new power, and times by the derivative in that, which is 4, add on the c, simplify it, and you get your answer.